Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today is the third weeks in our course in MACIR. Today I will talk about the IT common interview questions. My name is Mizanur Rahman. So let's go. First of all, thank you so much for the time to interview me. My name is Mizanur Rahman. I have been in customer support role in about 7 years. I enjoy solving issues for customers and end user. The IT support the IT support area are potentially bring new challenges each day. I enjoy troubleshooting issues and resolving them within SLA. I'm always willing to learn and apply myself quickly, exhibit attention to details and proactive behaviors. I'm Google certified. My first job experience includes support agent in Eddie Limo Company, Boston. Spice work ticketing systems and also confident in ITIL service management process. I'm also quite comfortable working with end user, documenting their issues and getting the right teams to help them. I'm punctual and start my day at 8:45 a.m. I first check my voicemail to see if there is any urgent messages on my work phone queue, if there any action needed to resolve my reported issues. Then I attend to those first. Next, I check my emails for flagged unread messages and tackle those responses first. Then I sign on to my phone and log into Spicework to see which open tickets I need to follow up and resolve without missing the SLA on them. If I complete my work, I spend my time either providing support to my coworkers, attending my meeting, or keeping a little bit of time on hand each day to learn something new. Sure, I was expecting the question, to be honest. I will use a recent example. One of our end user called me and reported a web application was not working. I was in help desk. He was getting page not found error on the browser, which is 404. I quickly opened an incident ticket, captured a screenshot of the error from the user and documented it. After that, I asked the customers if he had a couple of minutes to hold so I can also call tier 2 support group, see what's going on. When I called tier 2 on call primary support, they confirmed to me that that some overnight software support had failed that was causing this and issues on the web application side. Technical terms were working on it, and tier 2 expected to resolve it in about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I shared this information with my caller and apologized for the inconvenience it has caused him. He was very appreciative that I reached out to the right teams and gave him the latest update on the issue and expected resolution times. I notified my manager about the details of the issues and updated the tickets once issue was resolved in the timely manners. ITIL stands for Information Technology Infrastructure Library. It's a UK standard service for service management, now used worldwide. It's defined the process around how an organization handle incident, change, and problems. Ticketing systems are designed to keep ITIL frameworks. Incident management goal is to restore service to normal level, quick fix around, and change management process ensure that only approved change and thoroughly tested change are introduced into the production. The goal for problem management is to get the root cause and prevent recurrence of incidents. I keep an open mind to learn and I'm adaptable. I'm passionate about helping to my customers. I'm calm and patient to my customers. I take pride in my work and detail oriented. A lot of the soft skills I have used in my first job are also required in IT, such as customers issue resolution, good communication, good documentation, and follow-ups. I wish to apply this skill to IT and learn it tools and processes. IT is used in every industry, so I would like to pick up more IT skills. Please, may I know how soon do you wish to fill this position? I will need 1 or 2 weeks to join. No, I didn't. I'm sorry. No, I don't. I will work based on company as they need. Yes, I do. Just a simple questions. Beside what on the job description, what are some other immediate 30 days expectation from someone coming to fill this role? And the second, what advice would you have for me to success in this role? I don't have an exact salary in mind, but according to salary.com, the median salary for the IT support specialist in Greater Boston is $56,000. I understand each industry and location could be different. Also, this is may depend on education and experience. However, I would like to know that I'm flexible and I'm sure that we can work it over if you tell me your salary range for this position. From 5 years now, I would like to master in my job and took for new responsibilities. Good problem solving and troubleshooting skills, good communication skills, strong customer service experience, reliable patience, respectful. Weakness, sometimes I cannot say no. I try to do everything on my own and I do not seek help from another person. It often backfires because I cannot eventually solve the problem. But I try to learn to be more humble and to evaluate the problems before deciding to solve them on my own. On the other hand, I have great skill with computers and can explain difficult things in a simple way. So final user understand my instruction. I see this opportunity as a way to contribute to an exciting fast moving company, and I feel I can do so by my skill. I believe I have the type of knowledge to success this role. Also, I know that your company is one of the largest company in the US. You have more than 25,000 employee in a worldwide base. There is four things always I keep in my mind: situation, task, action, and result. So it could be happen with angry customers, it could be happen with your co-workers, it could be happen with your boss. So as you see, situation, task, action, result. That means resolve the issues, showing problem solving skill, listen and validate the customer's consent, showed that you could handle conf- conflict professionally. Describe the situation using star. Outside of work, I like to volunteer for local non-profit organization, especially tasks that are related to education and technology to help addresses the digital divide issues within the company. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, DHCP, is a network management protocol used to dynamically assign an IP address and other network configuration parameters to each device on a network so they can communicate with other devices in the network. DN, DNS. DNS stands for Domain Name Systems, and it is responsible for mapping IP addresses with domain names. Active Directory, it is a directory service available with the Windows Server platform. It is store information, use basically user account, computer accounts in a central database and allow user to SSO for the company networks. What is BSOOD? The blue screen of death is usually hardware or driver related, but most it shows a stop code to help you figure out the root cause. IP. IP stands for Internet Protocol and it's a unique identifier of the device in the network. IP config to find out the private IP address, subnet mask, and the default gateway assigned by the DHCP. Thank you so much. Thank you for having with me. And as you know, there's a lot more questions, lot more things you need to always keep in your mind. And those questions can come, also more questions can come at the different angle. You have to be ready for it. So learn as in everyday process. Good luck and hope you have a great job. Thank you so much.